Коя че любимата певица за пеене на песен? Значи имам преди 3-4 въпроса, които ме карат да пея, обаче аз не мога да пея. Защо да ме карате да правя нещо друго? Не мога да разберам. Да не трябва да пея. Така че само правя едно изключение. Това е за Бионсе, която е любимата ми певица. Ще спееш на Бионсе, обаче какво не е? Няма да се смея. To the left, every turn you on in the box to the left, in the closet, that's my stuff, yes, if I bought it, please don't touch. Kids, okay, that mess, that's fine, but could you ever look and talk at the same time? And it's my name that's on that tag, so remove your bags, let me call you a cab. Standing in the franchise, telling me how I'm such a fool, talking about how I'll never ever find a man like you. You got me twisted. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I could give another you in a minute. Matter of fact, he'll be here in a minute. Baby, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I could give another you by tomorrow. So don't you ever for a second get to thinking you're irreplaceable. Just